Good morning, students. I am sure that you are safe and healthy at home and your studies are continued. Under virology, today I will discuss about herpes viruses. Herpes virus family are involved DNA viruses with icosahedral capsid of around 162 capsomeres with linear double-stranded DNA. Its main herpes viruses are composed or enclosed double-stranded linear DNA with capsomere of 162 units of icosahedral geometry. These envelope viruses, its surface have also spikes about 8 nanometer. Herpes viruses replicate in host cell nucleus. Herpes viruses are heat labile and they may be stored at -70 degrees centigrade. Family herpes breed is divided into three subfamilies on the basis of biological, physical and genetic properties. The first subfamily is alpha herpes viruses. These subfamily have short life cycle, replication completed in 12 to 18 hours. Latent infection in sensory ganglia. Under this subfamily, the herpes simplex virus and Varicella zoster viruses are found. The second subfamily is the beta herpes viruses. This subfamily slow replication and replication time is more than 24 hours. Grow in fibroblast and cause enlargement of infected cells, means cytomegaly. Latent infection of salivary glands and other organs. Example for this beta herpes virus subfamily will be cytomegalovirus. And last third subfamily will be gamma herpes viruses. Gamma herpes viruses replicate in lymphoblastoid cells, beta lymphocytes and T lymphocytes, and latent infection in lymphoid tissues. Its mean gamma subfamily infect the lymphoid organs, mainly B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. Example of this subfamily will be Epstein-Barr viruses. There are 8 types of herpes virus infection are identified and named like HSV1, HSV2 to HSV8. Now we come to the herpes simplex HSV virus. HSV virus is naturally found only in humans. Its mean HSV have the only natural source is human being. There are 2 types of HSV, HSV type 1 and HSV type 2. Human herpes virus type 1, HSV type 1. This is found in lesions in around mouth transmitted by direct contact or droplet spread from case or carrier. It means HSV type 1 infects mouth or around mouth and spread is by direct contact from case or carrier. Second is HSV type 2. HSV type 2 is the causative agent of genital herpes infection by transmitted by direct sexual activities. Herpes simplex, most common viral infection of human and Around 60 to 90% adults show detectable antibody. It's mean for the diagnosis there is the detection of antibody by ELISA method. Primary infection occurs in childhood around 2 to 5 years of age, and source of infection are saliva, skin lesions and respiratory secretions. Asymptomatic carriers are the important source of infection. Human are only natural source. In any type of infectious disease, carriers are the more important and dangerous source for spread of infection. Transmission by close contact or sexual activity in type 2. Virus get entry via skin defects or mucous membrane and multiply locally with cells to cell spread. Virus enter cutaneous nerve fibers and transported intravaginally to ganglia for replication. It means there is intravaginal transmission of virus from cutaneous nerves to its ganglia for the replication. That is, replication occurs in the ganglia of the nerve. After multiplication in ganglia, centrifugally migrate skin and mucus result in the cutaneous and mucosal lesions. Virus remain latent in ganglia of trigeminal in HSV type 1 and sacral in HSV type 2 and may reactivate periodically causing recurrent oral and genital lesions. It means after the multiplication in the ganglia of trigeminal and sacral nerves, they may store and remain latent and periodically may be activated. Cell-mediated immunity control the herpes infection. It means cell-mediated immunity is responsible for the infection of herpes virus. Herpes virus diseases are more common in immunocompromised patients like HIV. HSV1 produces above the hip and HSV2 below hip. That is, HSV1 produces lesions above the hip, and HSV2, that is mainly involved in genital organs, produce lesions below hip. In cutaneous infection, most common site is face, cheeks, chin, around mouth or forehead. Typical lesions are fever blasters. Herpes may be mucosal, ophthalmic, nervous. HSV encephalitis is self-limiting disease and may subside around 2 to 4 weeks. In visual HSV, there may be ophthalmitis. In visceral HSV, oesophagitis, tracheobronchitis and pneumonitis are found. In genital lesions are found mainly in penis or in urethra, causing urethritis in men, and in female, cervix, vagina, vulva and perineum, rectum, and causing perineal lesions found in females. And in homosexuals, rectal and perineal lesions are found. Primary infection is more serious with fever and malaise. Transplacental infection of HSV1 or HSV2 may cause congenital malformation. In such cases, if the mother has genital lesions of HSV type 2, there may be chances of infection to child at the time of delivery. For this problem, there is the LSCS is chosen to solve the problem. Serologically, biology antibody are demonstrated which develop in few days of infection. There are some homeopathic and allopathic medicines which are useful against herpes viruses. First of all, homeopathic medicines like Thuja, Netamur, Graphitis, Sepium, Medorinum, Sulfur, Merxal, Nitric acid, Prostax may be used on the basis of totality of symptoms. Under allopathic mode of treatments, there are acyclovir and vidarabine are useful medicine for herpes viruses. This was about herpes virus, and there is a humble request from me to you that please study it. Okay, thank you.